If you're uploading your videos to YouTube but not seeing real growth, this video is for you. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to optimize your YouTube channel so you get more views, more subscribers, and build long-term growth. Not hacks, not gimmicks, real optimization. Let's get into it. First of all, let's understand this. YouTube is not just a video platform, it's a search engine. In fact, it's the second largest search engine in the world, owned by Google. That means if you optimize correctly, your content can be discovered for years. So how do you optimize your channel? Step 1. Define your niche clearly. One of the biggest mistakes creators make is being too broad. If your channel is about everything, the algorithm doesn't know who to show your content to. And if the algorithm is confused, you don't grow. Instead, narrow your focus. Not just fitness, maybe home workouts for busy professionals. Not just tech, maybe AI tools for small business owners. When your niche is clear, your audience understands what they're looking for, what they're subscribing for. Your content becomes easier to recommend. Your brand becomes memorable. Clarity equals growth as a rule on YouTube. Step 2. Optimize your channel page. Most people ignore this, which is a big mistake. Your channel page is your storefront. Start with your banner. It should clearly say who you help, what kind of content you create, why someone should subscribe. Next, your channel description. This is SEO gold. Use keywords related to your niche naturally in your description. If your channel is about AI education, for example, include phrases like learn AI, AI tutorials, artificial intelligence explained, and similar terms. YouTube reads this because it matters. Also, organize your homepage with playlists. Don't just show random uploads. Create structured playlists like beginner guides, tutorials, case studies, tools and reviews, and more. Playlists increase watch time because they encourage binge watching. 3. The third thing you have to do to optimize your channel is master titles. This is critical. Your title determines whether someone clicks. There are 2 parts to a strong title on YouTube. 1. Search intent. 2. Curiosity. If you're targeting search, think like your audience. What are they typing? Instead of AI tools, for example, you can try best AI tools for beginners in 2026. Be specific as a rule. Be clear. Add the benefits. If you're going to browse traffic, lean into curiosity. I tried 10 AI tools, for example, so you don't have to. But never do clickbait. If your title promises something, your video must deliver. Step 4. Thumbnails win the click. Before anyone reads your title, they see your thumbnail. Your thumbnail should, as a rule, have 3 to 5 bold words maximum. Use high contrast colors, show emotion if you're in it. Be simple, not crowded. Look at big creators like MrBeast, for example. His thumbnails are clear, emotional, and instantly understandable, even without reading the title. Your goal is not to be fancy. Your goal is to be clear. Step 5. Optimize your description properly. The first 2 lines of a description matter most. That's what shows before the see more button. Use those lines to reinforce your main keyword. Clearly state what the video delivers. After that, you can add related keywords, timestamps, links, playlists. This helps YouTube understand context. Step 6. Tags are less important, but still useful. Tags don't carry the same weight they used to, but they still help with context. In your videos, include your main keyword, variations of it, common misspellings, you tell me. Think of tags as supporting signals, not the main strategy. Step 7. Focus on watch time and retention. Here's the truth most people ignore. YouTube does not reward videos with the most views. It rewards videos that keep people watching. Retention is king. To increase retention, start strong in the first 10 seconds. Remove long intros. Get straight into value. Use pattern interrupts like cuts, zooms, graphics, questions. Ask yourself, would I keep watching this? If the answer is no, fix it. Step 8. Consistency over perfection. You don't need perfect lighting. You don't need a cinematic camera. You don't need all that. You need consistency. YouTube rewards channels that upload regularly because it trains the algorithm to understand your content. Choose a realistic schedule. Once a week, maybe twice a week, even once every 2 weeks. That's fine, but be consistent. Stick to it. Growth compounds over time on YouTube, so stick to it. Step 9. Study analytics. If you're not checking analytics, you're guessing. Get into YouTube Studio and look at the main factors and parameters that matter. You have click-through rate, CTR, audience retention graph. Look at your traffic sources. Look at your top performing videos. These are pointers that tell you how and why a video performed well. If one video performs better than the others, don't just celebrate it. Analyze the video. Ask yourself questions like, what is different? The title, the hook, the topic. Then do more of that because it works. Step 10. Create content that solves problems. At the end of the day, YouTube is about value. If your videos answer questions, solve problems, entertain deeply, or teach something useful, you will definitely grow on YouTube. Look at creators in the educational space like Ali Abdaal. His growth didn't come from tricks. It came from clear value, packaged well. Optimization helps you get discovered, but value keeps people subscribed. In summary, growing on YouTube is not about luck. It's about clarity, consistency, optimization. Define your niche. Optimize your video channel. Write better titles. Design better thumbnails. Focus on retention. Study analytics. And most importantly, create content that matters. If you apply even half of what we discussed today, your channel will start moving in the right direction. And remember this, every big creator out there you admire started at 0. The difference is they didn't quit. Now it's your turn. So don't you quit.